Hello Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is a weekly reading for Sun, Moon and Rising in Cancer. Okay, it's for the week of April 13th to April 18th. Cancer, we had a beautiful new moon in Aries, right, which was very powerful. Okay, you could have gotten some kind of uh, uh, a breakthrough in your 10th house, right? And this week is like a transition period. Okay, this generally new moon is new beginnings. Okay, so you could be getting some kind of information, especially in this week. Okay, this week could be prominent for most of the signs here, and we are all going through a major transformation, and we could be getting some kind of information that's taking us into what is the next step of our life. Okay, which is destined to happen. Okay, this is aligning with the destiny. Okay, most of us are doing it. So Cancer, I'm using the Lenormand to pull out the overall energy for the week. Okay, and I'll be pulling out 5 cards for you: the past energy, the current energy, the hopes and fears, the obstacle and the outcome. Okay, and we'll be clarifying with the I'll be doing the 5 card spread with the Gilded Moon, and I'll be clarifying with the Everyday Tarot here. Okay, so Cancer, what's the energy for Cancer for this upcoming week, Spirit? The 8 of Wands or the Mountain. Okay, number 3 card. Okay, this could be about long distance communication. This could be about obstacles on your way right now. Okay, and this could have been a lot of back and forth communications, or if you have a goal or a focus on something you need to reach, I think you will be reaching it in this week. Okay, if you are expecting some kind of communication from a foreign country or from some different place, from a different person, okay, I think you will be getting some kind of information here. Okay, number 3 is all about communication, travel. If you're planning for a vacation, you can go for a vacation this week, Cancer. Okay, so let's see. Cancer, Sun, Moon and Rising. I'm going to pull out 5 cards for you. Okay, Cancer, Sun, Moon and Rising. One more. Yeah, done. We have the Knight of Swords as your overall energy, Cancer. Knight of Swords with the Queen of Swords in reverse and the Death card. Okay, so finally a situation is coming to an end. You could be dealing with a Scorpio or a Gemini. That's very strong there. Okay, so Cancer, the first past energy is the Judgment. Oh, that's the past, right? The current energy is the Page of Swords. Oh my god, you have lots of swords here. Okay, and then what's your hopes and fears is the Ace of Wands. Your obstacle is the Four of Wands. Wow, you're ending, the outcome is the 5 of Swords. So this is a battle for you, Cancer. You're in a battle, right? I saw the World here. Okay, the World just came as the last card here. The World, and I also have the Death here. Okay, so situation is ending. Okay, but that's the question. Someone is not allowing it to end. Okay, with the Queen of Swords in reverse, lot of, what is before the Death? Oh, 3 of Cups. Okay, so someone could have been the third party, or someone wanted this reconciliation, or someone still wants the reconciliation. See, Queen of Swords reversed, Knight of Swords and Page of Swords. Okay, it's like the decreasing order. Okay, see, this is the Queen of Swords is someone who's nasty. This person could be very, very harsh, cutting, vindictive. Okay, someone wants revenge. Cancer, is that you? Do you want revenge? With the Knight of Swords is this knight in shining armor who comes in, speaks something, blabbermouth. They just come in and they talk whatever they need to say and they leave immediately. With the Page, this is spying, stalking, collecting information and immature behaviors. Okay, and hiding, and also collecting information through immature ways, okay, like social media stalking or asking friends to about them, inquiring about them, okay. You could be doing this, Cancer, or someone could be doing this to you, okay, because that is your current energy. So stay aware of people spying on you, or stalking you, or this could also be someone you live with, okay. This could be an immature child too. If you're going through a argument with your kid, okay, they could be really immature to deal with, okay. But with the Justice card upright, this is a karmic situation, okay. Karmic could also mean the judgment. So the universe is trying to wake you up from this immature energy, either you or the other person, but you are in denial, because with the ending with the Five of Swords is someone who has an empty victory, okay. So someone thought that they could get their revenge on you, or they thought they could hurt you, okay. I think this was an empty victory for them. Like the Ace of Wands and Four of Wands here, which sums up to Five of Wands, okay. This could be some kind of jealousy issues, conflict, competition, maybe someone is getting married, or someone is in a stable situation, but the other person feels jealous of this situation, the stability you have, because the Four of Wands is not the outcome for you. The Four of Wands is the obstacle, okay. So maybe you want commitment, or you were committed to someone, or someone is getting married and you are not getting the commitment. Something like that is the issue here, Cancer. Or this could be within an office too, okay, an office environment. Someone is trying to put you down, hurt you, okay, and they're trying to steal away your ideas or collecting information. The Ace of Wands could also mean that this is some kind of a new beginning you're going to have with someone and they are jealous of it, okay. So let's clarify and check out this connection, or this energy for Cancer. What's the Judgment? Why there's a wake-up call here? Why is the Judgment placed here? Empress in reverse. Oh my goodness. What's the Page of Swords? Page of Swords. The Ten of Cups. What's the Ace of Wands? Two of Swords in reverse. Okay. Why is the Four of Wands the obstacle? Eight of Swords. Okay. Married Cancer. Married Cancer. Five of Swords. Ten of Swords. Oh my goodness. Yep. Married Cancer, or someone who is coming out of a marriage. This is definitely for those people here, okay. You're still having a jealous ex here, okay. A jealous ex-wife here, okay. This could have, they could have found out that you are going to marry someone else and you're happy with them. You found someone that you could be happy with and they're not able to digest it, okay. So they are hurting you, or you're hurting them, okay. Maybe the truth came out here, okay. Someone did not know that you were married, or someone did not thought that, yeah, you're going to marry them, or you're going to be in this relationship. Or I'm going to clarify this Eight of Swords and the Four of Wands. That's a lot of cards, Spirit. Should I take it? Okay. The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Wow. The Devil in reverse. The Hermit in reverse. The Death card with the King of Cups. King of Cups is a Cancer here. Yes. With the Devil in reverse and the Queen of Pentacles reversed. Okay. The Empress is also a Taurus energy. And the Queen of Pentacles is also a Taurus energy. Okay. Could be a Capricorn too with the Devil here. Okay. But with the Death and the King of Cups, this could be between Cancer dealing with a Scorpio or a Pisces here. Okay. Some situation ended here, okay, with a wife, with a toxic situation, okay. This could have been a toxic relationship, and someone is moving on to someone else here, okay. I'm getting that strong vibe here. Someone is moving on to someone else here, and it's happening in secret, or someone got to know it, okay. With the Two of Swords in reverse, someone was blinded to this connection, and finally they find out that this happened. Maybe now they're spying on you, or you're spying on them here, okay. Because with the Page of Swords and the Ten of Cups, they're spying on your spouse, or they're spying on your family here, Cancer, okay. Yeah. Can I get one card on this Empress in reverse? This is definitely a jealous ex-partner, ex-wife, the Hierophant here, okay? The Hierophant, the Empress reversed, and the Judgment, okay? This person could be a karmic here, okay? Could be a karmic wife. This could be some kind of a situation where you were married or they were married, and someone stepped out here, because there's 10 of, I don't have to even clarify, because with the Devil in reverse, this was someone who was very jealous of the person moving on to someone else, okay? They did not allow the person to move on, or they were jealous of you being in the relationship happily, but they did not give you that, okay? This is definitely some kind of a situation like that, okay? With the 10 of Swords here, with the 5 of Swords again, they want to harshly, or very wantedly, they are hurting you, okay? They want revenge. I'm getting, they want revenge. They don't want to see you happy. That's what I'm getting. They don't want to see you happy. Cancer, this is a tough reading. Definitely a tough reading. So what is this 10 of Cups here? 5 of Swords. See? Yeah. This was a spouse here, okay? And they don't want to see you happy with another person. The 5 of Swords twice here, okay? They are jealous of you. They are wantedly hurting you to keep you stuck in the marriage, or I don't think you are married to them, okay? They feel that they are stuck to this marriage. They wanted to keep you stuck. Okay, Cancer, I'm getting an interesting thing also. If someone got pregnant wantedly with intentions to keep you stuck in the marriage, I don't think it's happening. It's anyway ending, irrespective of the situation, okay? Because this person could have been really, really toxic, because the Devil is in reverse, okay? So this person could have been very, very materialistic, egoistic. They wanted this relationship for the money, for the status, for the society, and they wanted to get pregnant for the marriage, or they thought that by keeping you for the child support situation, they could prolong this energy. I don't think it's happening, okay? This is a very nasty reading for you, Cancer. And this week, I think you're going to deal with the person that's going to betray you, or it is already happening. I think with the 5 of Swords twice here, this is an ongoing battle, okay? And the information could have gotten out, because with the Death here twice, okay? In the back of the reading, I had Death, and here I'm having again Death. This situation ended, and someone is just spiteful, okay? They do not want you to go and marry someone else. That's what I'm getting very strong here, Cancer. Wow. I did not expect such kind of a reading for Cancer here, okay? This could be definitely someone who is dealing with a water sign specifically, okay? Or a Taurus, okay? Taurus or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, okay? This could be between two water signs, majorly between Cancer and Scorpio. That's what I'm getting, okay? Wow, okay. Okay, the only thing I'm getting is it's a waste of time, okay? It's a waste of time to put you in a situation, put you yourself in a marriage or a commitment, getting pregnant, and focusing on this marriage to stick because of children. You know, you can never keep a man, you can never keep a woman with money, sex, or a child, okay? It's not going to happen, because when you do that, you're going to put yourself in a position where you're putting yourself down, okay? You will start feeling worthless, okay? Because I don't think, except love or except mutual purpose between a person, two people, nothing else will keep them around with you, okay? No matter how much you try, okay? So if this is such a nasty here situation for you, Cancer, and if you're divorcing someone, or if this is over money, the home also could be with the property here, with the King of Cups here. This could be someone fighting over the house, okay? They don't want someone else to take the house away from them. It's difficult, but I don't think you can control people, okay, with things. That's what I'm getting, with things. Okay, Cancer. So I hope you will have a good week. Okay, maybe in the upcoming weeks will be good for you. Okay, thank you.